All right, so we're switching back to graphing. Always, first step, what's the y-intercept here? Well, if I wanted to, I could put a plus 0. The y-intercept is 0. So that means this line goes through the origin here. What's my slope? It's 2, but I need to write it as a fraction, so I'm going to put 2 over 1. Whenever you need to make a number a fraction, you can put it over 1. Slope directions, it's positive, so I'm going up 2 and right 1. Starting from that y-intercept of 0, I go up 2 to the right 1, put a point, do it again, up 2, right 1, put a point, connect, add your arrows, and that's it. Practice problem 5. What's the equation? As always, start with the y-intercept. Where does it cross? This y-axis right here. That is a positive 3. What is my slope? How do I get from this first point down here to this second point? Well, I'm going down. So this is a negative sloping line, so put a negative. And how far down do we go? 1, 2, 3 is my numerator. How far to the right? Just 1. So the slope is negative 3, or negative 3 over 1. So the equation, remember, it's y equals mx plus b. And we're plugging in the m and the b. So y equals something x plus b. M is negative 3. B is positive 3. And that's it. Y equals negative 3x plus 3. Last one, multiple choice. What's the equation that matches the graph? First up, where's the y-intercept? 0. Can I cross anything out? No, they all have y-intercepts of 0. Darn it. So now, let's look at the slope. Is this a positive or a negative sloping line? Negative. Cross out the positive slopes. That's A and B. So again, is it negative 2/3 or negative 3/2? We got to make sure we don't get this backwards. So we always go up or down first. I'm going down by 1, 2. I can stop there if I wanted to, but I'll finish it out. How far to the right? 1, 2, 3. So the slope is negative 2/3. There's the equation. It's time for your exit ticket.